So, exercise 2.5. Let's begin. Fine, ready? Here the cube wala identity you must be in your mind, then only you will able to solve this type of question. So my dear student, please keep this identity in your mind. The identity for the cube for the positive number is a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Fine. And second is a minus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Clear to you? So dear student, keep both of this identity in a mind. Let's evaluate what we are given using suitable identity. 99 cube. Now can I write 99 as 100 minus 1? 100 minus 1, in that the value of x is 100 and value of y is 1. If not, then value of a and b also you can keep it in a mind. A equal to 100, b equal to 1. Whatever the variable you are choosing for the identity doesn't matter. Fine. So dear student, here at it is minus. So which identity we are applying? I am mentioning it again for you. Okay. So I am choosing suppose x here. And the identity will become minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So here it is minus. Here it is minus. Fine. So dear student, let's keeping this thing in a mind, apply the identity. So according to this here, x cube y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Fine. Nothing I have done, only empty bracket in place of x and y I kept. And let's compare what is x. X equal to 100. What is y? 1. 100 x y 1. Here it is y. Sorry, here it is 100 and y 1. Clear? Now let's simplify. That's 100 cube. 100 cube indicate 100 into 100 into 100. It means that 1 will have 6 zeros. Quite big number, right? Minus 1 cube is 1. Minus 3 into 100 square will be 10,000. And 10,000 into 1, that is 1. You can mention into 1 also along with that. Plus 3 into 100 into 1. This already, because 1 square is 1 only. We know this thing. Now let's multiply. First, these two terms we need to multiply. So 10 lakh minus 1 minus 3 into 10,000. Is it 30,000? And 3 into 100 into 1, that is 300. So these are the numbers. In that, which numbers are, you can see which number are connected with addition. These two numbers are in plus plus. So we need to add these two numbers and we will add these two numbers. So we will have here 1 double triple 0. Triple 0 and 300 we are adding in that. And let's add this one, because this minus minus plus, so I need to write it here 30,001. Fine. Now let's subtract it. Fine. As you know, dear students, 0 minus 1 not possible. So borrow from here. 10 minus 1 gives the result 9. Here it will be 9 and here 2 will be left. Fine. Then again 0. Again I want to subtract 3 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. And I have borrowed from here. So it is 9. So my answer of this question solution is coming 97,299. 97,299 is the cube of 99. Okay, you can check it after multiplication, 99 with 99 and 99. you will get the same answer. But here you can see we are using the identity. It is quite easy to, without multiplying, we are able to say what will be the cube of this given number. So my dear student, here the question is second, that 102 cube means we need to find a 102 into 102 into 102. So how to solve this? Okay, so let's simplify it by splitting 102 in 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2 whole cube. So as we have to apply here cube wala identity, as you know, here x cube y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Okay, in this identity I am going to put the value of x equal to 100, y equal to 2, x equal to 100, y2, x equal to 100, y equal to 2. Our work will become very easy. Now what is the 100 cube? 100 cube is, we know 100 into 100 into 100, it means it will be 10 lakh. 6 zeros will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 2 zeros. So this will become 6 zeros. Plus, what is 2 cube? 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Okay. Now plus. Next step I am writing here. Plus 3 is already with us. Now as you know 100 square. 100 square will be 10,000. And into 2 is already there. Fine. And plus here plus 3 into 100. 2 square. 2 square will be 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 square, it means 2 into 2, that is 4. Clear? So next step, what will be next step? Here I need to mention, here it is 10 lakh with 6 zeros plus 8 is already there. Now all these three terms are in multiplication. 3 2 are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros will be there at the back. Plus 3 into 4. 3 4 are 12 and these 2 zeros are there. 1200. Here. So dear student, we need to add all this. Okay. So on a unit place is 8. So let's write 8. No such a tens place. 0 is there. 100th place here we are having 2, 1000 place we are having 1, and 10,000 place we are having here 6. That is 10,000 place, and 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So what is left? This. So addition, if you are not comfortable in doing this way direct, you just use your rough column and try to add. Sure, you will find this answers. That's why we can say the cube of 102 is coming 10,61,208. 10,61,208. This is the answer. I hope it's clear to you. So now question number 7, it's the third part. We are given 998 whole cube. Fine. So 998, can I write this way? That is 1000 minus 2. Because the nearest round off, nearest to that round off figure is 1000. That is 1000 minus 2. Yes. Now we need to apply minus wala cube identity. For that, the identity is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Fine. If not, then you can apply that split wala identity also. That is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. That is also correct. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can move with that. Okay. So simple, you can say a equal to or x equal to, whatever you feel convenient to remember as an identity. No matter for that. Now, what is the first term? That is a we are considering. Then here it is 1000. Here 2. Then here 1000, 2, 1000. And 5. So as we know, the cube of 1000 will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 lakh. To cube, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Clear? What about this 1000 square? It has 3 zeros. 1000 square, 1000 square, so then it will have 6 zeros. Okay, so it's not possible to mention in this much of space. So I'm writing it here minus. As I'm writing 1000 square, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into 2 is also along with that. Clear? And here plus 3 into 1000 is already there into 2 square. We know, children, 2 square is 2 into 2, that is 4. So next step, what it will be? So we need to mention here 10 lakh along with 6 zeros. Minus 8 is already there. Okay, then minus. Let's multiply this. Very simple. 3 2 ja 6. Here, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros here also. So I need to mention here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One correction I have to do here, beta. Reason behind that 1000 cube, it do not have 6 zeros. It will have 9 zeros. Okay. It will have 9 zeros. Okay. Not 6 zeros, because 6 zeros is already square. So I'm correcting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear to you? Here I have done the correction. You also do that. Okay. And here also I am correcting according to that. It is not 10 lakh, but it will become 1 will having 9 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in international system, we can separate here 3, that is ones place, thousands, this million, and this is 1. So it is called 1 billion. 1 billion. 1 is having 9 zeros, that is 1 billion. Okay. So here one more multiplication is left for this, 3 4 cha 12. So I need to mention here 12,000. Clear to you? Now let's add. Okay. Let's add all this. And what do we have? Here this and this, they are positive number. Okay. So first I am going to add this. So first 3 zeros I am writing from the back side. Okay. So I am writing for the back side because I have to mention the answer here also. So I will have here 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Then 12 is there, means 5 digit already cancelled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit gone. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros left. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Fine. Minus. Now this minus plus, so I need to write 6 0 0 0 0 0 and last 8, because we need to add both of the same sign, addition. Now let's subtract this from this. Okay. If I subtract this from this, the final answer, it will be with me. That is, from back side I am trying to write 2. Here it will be 9. 9 will be left. Then here 1. Then 1. Then 4. And this 9 will be left. So the subtraction of this will coming 99. That is, we call it, how to write, say in international system, 3 digit, this 3 digit. So it is becoming, the answer is coming 99,004,000. Then 994 million. How to read? In international, 9,994,011,992. This is the way of reading in an international system. This is the answer of this. See my dear student, question number 8, factorize. Okay. Now it's a quite new things for you. So little bit tricky you will find. But gradually when we proceed towards the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions, you will find it easy. The question is, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay. Now dear student, only you need to focus on the cube first. Okay. Which two terms are given in the cube? Of course, these two terms. Think about that only. Forget the rest of the part. Now, this is the cube of which number you know? This is the cube of some number. Fine. And as we know that the formula for this 3a b and in bracket a plus b also. Okay. So I'm mentioning it here a plus b. Fine. Now, what is A? How to decide, how to judge for that? Okay, we are here applying the XY wala identity also you can use, simple. Okay, so what is X here? X is 8a cube is a cube of 2a. This is the cube of B, that is 8x, this is Y, X, and this is simple. As we know, this is the cube of which number? The 2a plus b whole cube. Finish. The sum is over. The sum is. That's the second same procedure. For that I am little bit space making. The answer is 2a plus b whole. This is the first. Now let's work out on the second. What we are given, it is given in the minus. So let me note down 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. The same question is given, only the sign is changed here. Fine. So this time we need to apply the minus wala identity of cube. We know, dear student, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, fine, minus 3ab and in bracket a minus b. This is a and this is minus and this is b. You can say x or y also, same thing. Now let's put its a value. As we know that the first term is a cube of 2a, second term is a cube of b. So this is 2a, this is b, this is 2a. Simple. So dear student, no need to go with the calculation part. Simply think about 2a minus b whole cube. This is the solution of second. So the question is in front of you. Third question of the question number 8. 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. First of all, dear student, here just go with this. Which are the cube wala term? These two term cubic term. So my dear student, focus on that much only, and here minus. So as we know, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b. Fine. This is our identity. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Now first term 27 you know is a cube of 3. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. 125 is a cube of 5. 5 into 5 into 5, 125 we know, and along with the a here. Fine. These two figure we got, then simple. Here I need to write first term, second term. First term, second term, simple. So I should say here equal to, I need to say the answer will be 3 minus 5a whole. Simple. This is the solution. Quite easy, right? We'll go with the fourth now. Let's see with the fourth what we are given in that. 64a cube, okay, minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Fine, this we are doing. So my dear student, what we have to do here? Okay, let's move with this first. As we know, the cube wala term is this and minus between that. So a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Simple. Keep the identity in your mind, then your work will be easy. Now think on the first term 64 a cube. We know 64 is a cube of 4 into 4 into 4. That is 4 cube 64. So it is a cube of 4. Same way here, along with the a here, a also we need to mention. 27 is a cube of 3. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. And along with the b cube, here it will be b. So simple. This will become first term, second term, first term, second term. So my dear student, final answer in that we need to write 4a minus 3b whole. So this simplification, this expanded form is of this cubical identity. This is called the factorization. This what we are gaining, that is the factor. So now in front of you, question number 8, it's the fifth part. I'm reading the question for you. 27 p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. This is the question. Fine. Now how to solve? Very simple, very easy. Think about the cubic part. Now you must have the idea about the identity. Here it is minus, so we know a cube minus b cube minus b. Here we know a, this is b, and a minus b. Fine. Okay, dear student. Now 27 we know that is the cube of 3p. 27 cube is the cube of 3p. But what about 216? Dear student, if you multiply 6 into 6 into 6, you will get 6 into 6 into 6, then you will get the cube of 6. Fine. So here we will have 1 upon 6. So first term 3p, second term 1 by 6, here 3p, here 1 by 6. Clear to you? So next step, very easy. We know first step is 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. So nothing I have done. I have written first term, that is 3p minus 1 by 6 whole. This is the solution of question number 8. Is the fifth part. So my dear student, here question number 9 now. Verified. Easy. Which is quite easy for you. Okay. The first is here x cube y cube equal to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Okay. So let's begin with that. Okay. Here you can see this I am calling LHS. This I am calling RHS part. Right. So here RHS I am starting with that. I am explaining this with RHS. Let me work out on the RHS. Here we are given x plus y, in another bracket x square minus xy plus y square. So dear student, it is quite easy. Here as you have studied in class 8, the product of binomial with trinomial. Okay, according to that, because we want to prove LHS side, so we have begin from RHS. So here binomial with trinomial we are going to product. Now here x, first term is x. Let me write all these terms of trinomial here in the bracket. And here plus y. Plus y, let me write all these terms again in the bracket. Fine. So dear student, as you know, if we multiply individually one by one with this term, then we will have its a product. Okay. So what will be the product? X will be multiplied by x square. X into x square gives the result x cube minus x into xy. x into xy is x square y because x 2 times, agree? Plus here x into y square is xy square. Fine, this is the product of three terms with x. Now for workout for this, y into x square. Y into x square, can I write here x square y minus y into xy. Y into xy is xy square. Fine. Plus y into y square, that is y cube. Y into y square is y cube. Clear? Now, is there any term which are like? Of course. Which term are like here? We can see. It is clearly visible. X square y and x square y. They are on like terms with opposite sign. So, in such a case, they will be cancelled. We know. Now, one more like term is available here, that is xy square and xy square. Both of they are similar. So, and with opposite signs, so it will be cancelled. So, finally, what is left with us? That is x cube left plus y cube left here. Okay, x cube plus y cube, which is equal to our left hand side. So, this is LHS. Fine. So, this is the verification. Hence, we should say here finally, LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS coming similar, we need to mention hence verified. Hence it is very. This is the complete solution of first part. Nothing to do, very simple, very easy to verify. We have started with RHS and we have shown the product of binomial with trinomial. And after simplifying, the like terms with opposite sign has been cancelled. So whatever is left, that match with our LHS, that's why LHS equal to RHS. So it is verified. So again, the second part of question number 9, that is verify x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y in one bracket, in another bracket x square plus xy plus y square. In that case also, I am beginning from RHS. Okay, so RHS equal. I am starting with that x minus y in first bracket, in another bracket x square plus xy plus y square. Fine, this I have with me. So dear student, again here product of binomial with trinomial. So here first term is x. I am going to multiply x with all these three terms inside the bracket. We are having this thing. I am mentioning whatever we are given. And here minus y in bracket x square plus xy plus y square, right, equal. Now as we know how to multiply, so first term with the second term and then third term. First term, second term, third term. Keeping this thing in the mind, we are going to simplify. What is the product of x into x square? X cube plus x into xy, x square y. Product of x into y square, xy square. Here it is minus. So be careful. Minus is there. Y into x square. Y into x square is x square y. But as here outside the bracket minus sign, so here it is plus, so I need to change the sign. So this will become minus. So the product of now y into xy is xy square. Because y by 2 times, so it will become square. Again dear student, here minus and this is plus, so sign will be changed. So I am writing minus here. Let's multiply y with y square, so it gives a result y cube. Clear to you? So my dear student, here you can see which terms are like now. Just observe. Can I say x square y is similar with x square y and they are with opposite signs, so it will be cancelled. Fine. Same thing is we can say xy square, they are like terms with opposite sign, plus minus opposite sign. these two terms similar but with opposite sign, that they will be also cancelled. Now what is left with us? Finally, I should say the leftover terms are x cube minus y. These two terms only left. And now if we compare with our left hand side, then it is similar with that. Fine. So dear student, we can say here LHS equal to RHS according to the given question. That's why we can say hence verify. Hence very. Is it clear to you? This is the solution of question number 9. It's the second part, which is quite easy. So here you have here exercise 2.5. It's the question number 10 now. The question is factorize. Okay, factorize of what? Factorize of what? The first question in that we are given is 27y cube plus 125z cube. Fine. So my dear student, here how to solve? I am going to explain you. Fine. Be ready for that. So it's very simple, very easy. Before we proceed for that, I am giving you, it's a formula for the identity first, which we are going to apply, that I am mentioning here. The formula says here x cube plus y cube. It gives the result x plus y in one bracket. In another bracket, the square of first term. Here plus sign, so here we need to write minus, and the product of first term and second term, and the square of the last term. This is the formula to find the cubic equation and it's a solution. I am repeating the formula. The formula or identity of solving, that is cubic identity formula, x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y in one bracket, in another bracket x square minus xy plus y square. Fine. Now if I ask you, according to this, if I am working upon this question, what will be x cube and what will be y? Think about that. You can see here 27y cube is a cube of 3y. Agree? Because 3 into 3 into 3, 27. 125 is a cube of 5 along with the z cube. 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5z. So this is the cubic form. Here we can compare with this. Okay. So what will be RHS here? So let me write here first x plus y in another bracket. We need to mention it in a square bracket. X square minus xy plus y square. Okay, nothing I have done. I am telling you here x plus y, x square minus x, y plus y square. Fine. In that, now as we know that what is the value of x? X, it means first term. First term is here 3y. I am writing 3y here. Second term 5z. First term 3y. Second term 5z. Here also 5z. Right? Now dear students, first term is 3y plus 5z is already with us. So I am writing it here. Now we need to simplify this much in a bracket. Okay, so very simple. 9y whole square. 3y whole square will become 9y square, we know. Because reason behind that, 3 into 3, 9. Minus. What is the product of 3 with 5? 3 5 ja 15yz. Yeah? And plus 5z whole square. The square of 5, that is 5 into 5, 25z square. Clear to you? So this is the solution of the. So the next question of 10, it's the second part, is 64m cube minus 343n cube. Okay, here we need to apply the minus wala identity. Okay, so I am here writing it for your better understanding. The identity is x cube minus y cube, that is equal to in first bracket x minus y, In another bracket, square x square, here minus, so we need to write plus here, plus xy, and of course here y square. Right? This is our identity. Clear to you? Now, dear student, here we need to write down here cube of first term and cube of second term. What is the cube of 64m cube? We know it is 4m, 4 into 4 into 4. 343 is a cube of 7. 7 into 7 into 7. So, dear student, according to this, if I write, then x minus y in one bracket, in another bracket, x square plus x into y plus y square. Clear to you? What is x here? X, it means first term. First term means 4m. So I need to write 4m. This is 7m, 4m, 4m, 7n, 7n. Right. So, dear student, first term 4m minus 7n in one bracket, in another bracket. Now we need to write the square of 4. We know 4 4s are 16m square. Fine. Plus 7 4s are 28mn plus 7n square. We know 7n square. 7 square is 49n square in another bracket. So this is our answer. Answer is, you can see on your screen, 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. Here we have completed up to question number 10. Okay. In my coming up video, I will proceed for the question number 11 to question number 15. Question number 16 we have. So we will complete from question 11 to 16 in coming video. So be ready for that.